lap long 40 miles an hour.
We got that too.
We almost made the whole bed of the truck alive well.
Chance of thunderstorms after midnight.
Sunday,
southeast winds 20 to 25 knots, becoming southwest in the afternoon. Gusts up to 35 knots. Seas building to 3 to 5 feet, occasionally to 6 feet, building to 5 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet in the afternoon.
Oh, Jay. Yes. Your light was on.
Time to go catch some sea monsters. Deep drop for some big grouper, some yellow edge, some snowy grouper. You never know, maybe a Kitty Mitchell, some deep water snapper even. Who knows?
Give me the
Never know.
exact spot.
I can't recall the coordinates exactly off my head. Maybe next time.
Breakfast of champions, gummy bears. Make the fish bite.
I'm having a great day.
Is it because
got-
we have 3 fish on at the same time?
I got 2 fish that I never caught before, both of which were pretty studly. So I'm pretty excited about that. And we got another fish on right now.
OP, baby.
AP. AP. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Get it done.
Here, Timmy.
Oh, that one.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hot dog.
CG Boat Works.